Morning children, welcome to maths class. So in maths we have completed with 15 blocks, isn't it children? So today we will start with the 16th block, which is symmetry. Symmetry means similar, same. Okay, for a given shape, if you draw the similar shape, that means the length of the sides, the curve, whatever you are drawing the shape, if it is same, then it is symmetry. Okay, so let's see the topic here children. The first topic we have is symmetry in shapes. Okay, so how do you find the symmetry in shape? For a shape you have to draw a line such that it divides the shape into two identical shapes. Okay, then that line is called line of symmetry. Okay children, it is called as line of symmetry. Okay, so let's see, they have given the shapes, they have given some lines also. We have to say whether it is line of symmetry or not. Okay, let's see. So the question is, identify if the dotted line on each of the following shapes is line of symmetry. Okay, so the first picture is, see, it is a letter E, isn't it? And there is a line, green color line in the video, isn't it children? Now we have to say whether that green color line is line of symmetry or not. So how you have to say? So the line is horizontal, isn't it children? Now we have to check that the top of the line and below of that line, the both the sides of the line are same or not. If they are same, you have to write yes. If they are not same, you have to write no. Okay, can you see in the picture children? If you see the top part and the below part, below the line, they are similar, they are same, isn't it children? If they are similar, simply write it down yes. If they are similar, then this line is the line of symmetry. The given line is line of symmetry. Next, so here you have another shape where you also have a line given. Now check, so here the line is vertical, standing line, it is vertical line. Now we have to check whether the left side of the line and the right side of the line are similar or not. Are they similar children? No, right? Here you have a corner and there a slanting line on your right side, whereas on your left side it is like a complete a rectangle, standing rectangle, isn't it? Both are different. So this line is not the line of symmetry, so you will write no. Okay, and try to draw a line of symmetry for this shape children. So if you draw vertical line anywhere here, it is not line of symmetry. So here if you see, if you draw like this the horizontal line, then it might become a line of symmetry. How? See, if you see the top and below, above the line and below the line, the shapes are same, isn't it children? So this is the line of symmetry. Next you have a shape like this. Okay, and if you see, the green line is the vertical line, standing line. And if you see the right side and left side of the line children, both are same, isn't it children? So since both are same, so this line is the line of symmetry. So you will write yes. Okay, let's see in the next one. So here there is a circle and they have given the green line here, which they are asking whether that green line is line of symmetry or not. So if you see children, below the line and above the line, the parts are different, they are not similar, isn't it? So this green line is not the line of symmetry. So what you have to write? You have to write no. Yes. Now we have to draw the line of symmetry, isn't it children? Let me draw a line horizontally like this. So if you see this, the above part and the below part of the shape are similar, isn't it? So this is the line of symmetry. Yes. Now let me draw a line vertical like this. Here also, the part which is on the left side and on the right side, both are similar. That means this is also line of symmetry. Now let me draw a slanting line like this. Okay. Now here also, above the line and below the line, the shapes are similar, isn't it, children? So this is also the line of symmetry. Now if I have to draw like this, here also the shape above the line and below the line is same, isn't it? So this is also the line of symmetry for the circle. That means for any given shape, it is not compulsory that it will have only one line of symmetry. Okay, children, you can have many also. 2, 3, 4, 5. Depending on the shape, we will have the number of lines of symmetry. Okay, children? So earlier only one we had, isn't it? For this shape, they are about 4, 5 lines. More also you can draw in between also. Okay, which is passing through the center. If you draw any line which is passing through the center, it becomes the line of symmetry for the circle. Okay, and for some shapes it might be two. Okay, for example, for rectangle there'll be two lines of symmetry. Okay, so based on shape you have different number of lines of symmetry for that shape. Okay, children, so there are few more sums in your daily schedule. Copy it down in your classwork. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book, children. Volume book 2, page number 41, S1, symmetry in shapes. Okay, so in the next class we will learn the next topic, children. See you in the next class. Bye.